Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking at Kaspa. So from the last update, we're really not doing anything here on Kaspa. It's just been going sideways here. You can see that reflected in the MACD, the RSI. They're completely going sideways at the moment, down below the 0 and the 50. So after this nice bounce off of the 200-day moving average, you can see we bounced and got stuck at the 21 and the 100, you could say here, and we're coming back down. So just keeping it simple on Kaspa. I mean, it's in a nasty downtrend, as you can see on the chart here. If we come back down off of that bounce, you can see that the 200 and the 0.5 are about 11 to a 12% drop down here. The 0.5 is at 13.4, and your 200-day moving average is at 13.9. So in this 13 area is what needs to hold for Kaspa to continue to either consolidate here and try to push back up, or if you end up losing that, of course, you're going to come down here to this 1 penny area on Kaspa, which that could be the case. Come back down here and bounce and then do something like this before we eventually move up to break that downtrend at some point. So just kind of watch that price to the downside. If you lose this 13 area, this 13.4, and pretty much the 200-day moving average, you're going to come down here to 1 penny, in my opinion here. So you are in this nasty downtrend until you get over the 1.7 area. You can see you do have your moving averages here. They're all curling down. The 21 has crossed below the 100, and it's helping push the price down, as you can clearly see here on the chart. So the 50 is slowly making its way toward this 100 here, and they're all kind of curling down. So once the 50 crosses below the 100, then the downtrend is just going to get stronger here. So I would expect Kaspa, unless something crazy happens and it just starts to shoot up, you're probably going to go sideways and down in this little downtrend. You could even draw another line down here probably, and get some kind of a channel going for something kind of like this, and it's just like in this downwards channel. So we'll just take it day to day on Kaspa here for now. Just watch this price to the downside, and for any kind of momentum back up, we have to get over 1.7 here and your 21-day EMA at 1.79. So 1.79 is your price to beat to get some momentum back to the upside, and ultimately to get over the 100, the 50, all of that resistance there, and to break the downtrend. As of now, Kaspa needs to go up about 58-59% and get over this 2.4 level. You're not bullish until you get over 2.4 on Kaspa. Just take note of that. If we actually draw a fib from the most recent high here to the low, you can see that that 2.4 area from the high to the low here is actually your 618 up here. It's at 2.5. So we have 247 to 2.5. That little bitty price area here is your price to beat for Kaspa to be bullish again. So just kind of watch those prices there on Kaspa. So you need to hold 1.3 to not drop down to a penny. If we bounce, we get some momentum back if we can get over this 1.76 area, and we're bullish if we get over 2.4 to 2.5 on Kaspa here. But until then, you're just going to continue in this downtrend until further notice, in my opinion. Before we end it here, Heikin-Ashi candles, you can see they are printing red. The last one here is indecisive here. It does have a shadow on top. So we'll see if we can roll over off of the 200-day EMA here and turn green again, and see if we can push through that 1.7 area and that 21-day EMA on Kaspa. So we'll leave it at that on Kaspa for now until the next update. Hopefully that helped a little bit. And with that said, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.